welcome Omkar to our Ednocast, the rankers of Ednovate. Congratulations, Omkar, for scoring rank 47. It's a great achievement. So, how is the feeling? And just tell me all about what happened after you got a rank.
So feeling is I was really happy and I was expecting a rank. Means I studied for that 1 year. I gave that a mid. So I was really expecting a rank. And when the results came, so the result was not opening on my device. So actually, that Professor Amit Rajpurohit only told me my result because he had my roll number. We only communicated to him, but still there was like I was not satisfied that it is real or not. So I just waited. I did not told my family about that, and then I opened my laptop and then I I typed my roll number and then it appeared that it was all India rank 47. So I was just really happy. Then I told my father, he was at home, so I told him, he was also very happy.
Very nice. So I think it's always you just wanted someone to pinch you at that point in time so that you know that this is your mark. So good to know that. Tell us about how did you navigate it, right? Because you goofed up in your first exam, right? Accounts, and for you it's like a comeback. So as we were discussing this, right? I thought it's more like a T20 World Cup where I know until the 15 overs I've literally goofed up and I didn't know what holds for me in the last 5 overs, right? But ultimately it's all about the end. So what ends well is the story everyone wants to know. So just tell little bit about that, because एग्जाम टाइम में जो प्रेशर होता है ना ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम, नॉट बिफोर नॉट आफ्टर, it can take away everything from you or give everything to you. So I wanted to understand your mind frame. What did you do to overcome that?
So accounts exam was unexpected, like because for me accounts was very scoring and accounts was very comfortable subject for me. But the only mistake I did was spending too much time on one question that was out of the syllabus. So I was trying, it will be solved, it will be solved, but I literally wasted my 45 minutes over one question, and that was literally wastage because I did not even get the answer. And then the rest paper, I had the idea about rest paper, but at the last, due to time constraint, I could not complete my paper because I just focused.
So how much marks paper did you completed?
So my 95 marks completed, 5 marks for the remaining. I didn't knew that, but time constraint was there.
Yeah. So if you would have spent little lesser time, so even those 5 marks would be yours and your rank would be up, I think. So yeah, but lessons learned. But I think the goofed up in accounts overpower you, because I know someone who goofed up with accounts, and I don't know. I'm hearing this from everyone, a ranker or a non-ranker, that they goofed up in accounts, which is the first paper, which brings your morale down to this level, right? And अगले ही दिन आपको लॉ के लिए भी प्रिपरेशन करनी है that day and the next day, because after that day you will have your exam. तो जब आप ये करके आ गए तो व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट? मतलब लॉ का पढ़ने का सोचा कि मैं छोड़ देता हूँ, देता ही नहीं हूँ पेपर. व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट?
देता ही नहीं पेपर, वो वैसा तो नहीं था, वो बहुत एक्सट्रीम हो गया. बट ये मतलब थोड़ा डर था कि मतलब क्या होगा, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ही पेपर ऐसा था तो नेक्स्ट पेपर कैसा, कंसेप्ट बहुत कंसेप्चुअल था और टाइम का इशू हो जाता है ना, फिर बहुत कंसेप्चुअल रहेगा. तो थोड़ा डर था कि लॉ में क्या होगा, बट लॉ का पेपर बहुत इजी आया था. एंड मतलब अकाउंट्स के दिन थोड़ा मोरल लो था, तो लाइक रिवीजन लेक्चर्स थे ना एडनोइट के, जो रिवीजन लेक्चर स्ट्रीम होते थे, सो मैंने वो रेफर किए थे बस उस दिन. एंड नेक्स्ट डे मैंने फिर अपना सेल्फ स्टडी जो LDR था वो मैंने स्टार्ट किया था नेक्स्ट.
So very nice. And then I think law paper was good, and then you were like,
Yeah,
I need to
yeah.
know.
Law
So
and taxation were very good. So
there's
that
always
was
that
really
silver
good.
lining, no, which helps you to move ahead one step at a time. So very nice. So, Omkar, did you always wanted to be a CA, or it just happened to you by choice, by chance, or someone in the family tells you कि नहीं करना है तुमको तो ये CA?
So I like finance. I like about financial markets, capital markets. I like them. So I wanted to go into commerce only. And in commerce, what next? Then means the basic is CA, chartered accountant. So and chartered accountant is very means it is like what you can say. It is like exciting job, and it is like it is more concerned with finance more. And I like to deal in like dealing in finance. So that's why I chose chartered accountancy.
So that was by choice you wanted.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
were
by
there any
choice.
precedent, someone in your family or your friends or or you were the first one to be the CA and with a rank?
Yeah, I mean, my father, he was in commerce. He had gave CA, but it did not go well from it. So I was there then.
Right. So you are living up to your father's dream. It's so good, but that parents get so happy, and I just can't tell you. Tell me a little bit about you, your family, and how have they supported you to achieve what you are today?
So my mother is very supportive. So at the time of accounts paper, I was really very feeling low. Means when I came out of the examination hall. So the paper was really very unexpected. I told you before. So my mother was there that you have written, you will score well. So don't take any tension. So my mother used to always support me in this. My father also used to support me. So there was no anything. Pressure was not there. Ki you have to score. You have to get a rank. They knew I was studying and they quite supported me and they did not disturb me either कि ऐसा ही करना है वैसा ही कर ऐसा पढ़ना है वैसा ही पढ़ वैसा कुछ नहीं.
Right. और जब भी पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट होता है ना, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स सच अ जेन्युइन सपोर्ट, देयर इज नथिंग बनावटी इन दैट, राइट? एंड यू नो, एंड दे बिलीव इन यू, तो वो क्या होता है, अपन सेल थ्रू हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ठीक है, चलो मम्मी को विश्वास है ना, हो जाएगा. सो कैन यू जस्ट शेयर अबाउट योर स्टडी शेड्यूल ड्यूरिंग द एग्जामिनेशन लीव, like 3 months before the exam which you get? What kind of schedule did you make, and how did you effectively balance the time, and like, were you studying 2 subjects, 1 subject? Could you just throw some light on that as well?
So my study plan was at the time of lectures I had revised one means the lecture was over then when you come home you have to revise one so and do the homework वगैरह part. Then after the lecture so I allocated 7 days to each subject. So that was my first revision after the after the lectures, 7 days to each subject. Then accordingly, when I completed the subjects, then and I used to give parallelly the unit test. So three in one subject. If you have completed 3 chapters, then give the test. So it also helps means it helps you to know then where you are lacking, what more improvements had to be done. And then after that 7 days schedule, then I shifted from 3 to 3 days. So each subject 3 days. And then each subject 2 days, then each subject 1.5 days. So that was my revision style.
Oh wow, so you have a schedule in place, and that's how you kind of try to
And one subject in all means 7 days, one subject comes.
Oh, 7 days, 1 subject. Okay, so you're like very much like me. Reflecting on your experience, Omkar, specifically with Ednovate, how do you think Ednovate helped you to sail through and pave the path for your accomplishing this great achievement of getting a rank?
So during the lectures, like the teachers are very, they like connect with you. So it is not like you will feel very fearful to ask doubts. So I used to ask a lot of doubts because if you ask doubts, then all those misunderstandings you have, yeah, any confusions you have, they get cleared. And like this, teachers were very supportive. It's not like if you're asking a doubt in the class and they are neglecting you, it will not happen much. And the most wonderful part in case of practical subjects, I would like to mention that the teachers, like in case of costing, the FM part and accounts part. So teachers will give you first 15 minutes, yeah, some kind of time to first solve that question. So you try that question first, you make mistakes, and then they will provide you the solution. So that was the wonderful part.
So
it
they
really
let
helped
you
me.
think through,
Yeah.
make mistakes, because गलतियों के बाद ही आदमी हम कभी भूलता नहीं, वो गलतियां याद रखता है अगर उसने करी होती है तो.
And in every chapter, like in case of costing, the sir also used to like allot first 15 minutes. You only think, you only try. That means he did not even give any format. Just you try. What would be the answer? How can you elaborate that question? So that part I used to learn.
So that opens up your mind in terms of just giving you the answers, and you mugify it or think that this is the process. You think, so you have built up that logical thinking of evaluation, I think, which is very, very important.
So, but practical subjects, and in case of taxation, the special mention to direct taxation, obviously, because Amit Rajpurohit, like he's supported in every movement is supported us. And it's not like you try this question at home. Means he used to give us homework, but then he also used to first solve the difficult question, and then he used to give us the similar question. So and multiple revisions. So if he something taught in the past lecture, So in the current lecture, he used to take first one half hour, yeah, 45 minutes to just revise those things up again. So that used to be like the best experience for me. And the logics and behind every provision, he used to first tell us the logic and then only the actual provision. So I used to really love the direct tax lectures.
Omkar, one advice which you want to give to aspiring CA students as to what they should do, what they should not do, what is important, what is not important. I want it to hear from the horse's mouth what is important.
So the basic thing is attending the lectures and participating in that lecture. And one more thing is communicating with the professor. So whatever help I got is because I really means I was very active throughout the lectures. Like any doubt, any answers, I was very active. So the help you get from the professors, the extra knowledge and the understanding you get. So that is very valuable. So means the first thing is attending the lectures, not having any backlogs in that. And the advice means you have to maintain consistency. Like everyone says that, and it is the thing, because if you maintain consistency, then there will be really less stress on you during the study period.
Absolutely. And this is one word, as you said, I'm hearing from all the rankers: consistency, consistency, consistency. That's it. One very important thing, you are a true believer in God, in family, in life, right? So are you spiritually very, very inclined? And what do you do when you are disturbed and there's a lot of noise around you? Do you get connected to God? Just tell me a little about that. Just wanted to understand.
So after every day after bath, I always pray first, and then only I start my other activities, because that gives you good feeling, a good positive. You become positive towards life. And before sleeping, I used to meditate, like 10-15 minutes. I used to meditate. That helps you calm your mind, because पूरा दिन पढ़ाई किया ना, फिर वो दिमाग में भी सब आता रहता है. तो मतलब मेडिटेशन किया, थोड़ा शांत हो गए, फिर सो गया ना, तो मतलब नींद भी अच्छी आती है. सुबह भी मतलब फिर वापस दिन अच्छा चालू होता है.
So yeah, so thank you for telling me that, because now there's a connected question. In a world where people of your generation are so much distracted by the social media presence, the OTT platforms, there's so much of content floating everywhere. YouTube shorts too. You just open your mobile and you will be like, oh God, what's happening? And you don't even know you have spent 2 hours wasting your time. You're doing nothing. So how did you overcome that? What made you kind of ensure कि नहीं बस I have to hold on, नहीं बस बहुत हो गया. So what did you do to do that?
So I never used Instagram. Means at time of school, I had login for 1-2 years. Means I was even in 8th या 9th standard, तभी start किया था. फिर बाद में छोड़ ही दिया. फिर मतलब वो बहुत like नहीं देखना था वो सब फालतू के लिए. तो वो Instagram तो कभी बाद में वापरा ही नहीं. बट यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स आपने जो मेंशन किया था, तो वो थोड़ा कभी कभी एडिक्टिव मतलब हो जाता था. बट मैंने वो लिमिट, यूट्यूब का लिमिट आता है हर ऐप का, तो 30 मिनट्स ही कर दिया था. लाइक कुछ भी, ओनली 30 मिनट्स.
Got it. So it will give you a pop-up that the 30 minutes are over. Now you
Good.
should not be using it.
एंड मैं भी अवॉइड ही करता था, शॉर्ट्स वगैरह अवॉइड करता था. रिविजन लेक्चर ही स्टार्ट कर दिया, ऐसा ही मतलब वो कर दिया.
Right, right. Because
अवॉइड करना पड़ता है.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा distraction है, because I've seen kids, brilliant kids failing. Kids whom you think should get a rank are not even passing, and it hurts us. Right? चलो थोड़ा पोर्शन कम करा है मेरे को चलेगा, लेकिन द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि बच्चा रैंक लाने की ताकत रखता है, हैज बीन अ रैंकर थ्रू आउट, एंड दैट किड इज फेलिंग नॉट बिकॉज ही हैज नॉट वर्क दैट, जस्ट दैट ही स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन दीज एप्स, इंस्टा एंड ऑल. एंड स्पेसिफिकली जब आप लास्ट के फेज में होते हो, आपके 4-5 महीने होते हैं, 3-4 महीने, आप बैकलॉग नहीं खत्म कर रहे होते हो, बट आप बैठ के इंस्टा पे रील्स देख रहे होते हो 1-1.5 घंटा. सो I think which is I think very crucial. I think as an aspiring CA, right? You should understand that time is essence, time is key, and how well you manage time decides how well you do in your life. Yes, Omkar, you were saying something. Please go ahead.
लाइक मीन्स इफ ही 10 मिनट भी वो ऐप यूज किया ना, बाद में फिर चालू रहता है कि दिमाग में, अरे ये ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, मतलब बाद में चालू ही रहता है. तो मतलब वो
And कैसा होता है ना,
अवॉइडेंस
I totally get it, because जब आप पूरा पढ़ाई में immerse होते हो, right? Suddenly there's something which is coming up. So it takes, because आप इतने ज़्यादा उसमें होते हो ना, suddenly ऐसी चीज़ कुछ आ जाती है which is very different from your studies. So it takes away your mind. मतलब वो फिर उसी में घूमता रहता है. And even when you're studying, that picture comes into your mind.
Yeah.
Even if it is your friends enjoying जो CA नहीं कर रहे हैं उनका आपने कुछ पोस्ट देख लिया इंस्टा पे या कोई your favorite actor something happened to them so it gets into your mind so I think sometimes I always a true believer ignorance is bliss अगर बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं पता है ना दुनिया में तो अच्छा है शांति है पीस है लाइफ में that's more important. Omkar, any one thing which you want to tell me that which you regret doing, which could have helped you in scoring a better rank, maybe not 47th rank, but a rank better than that. मतलब मैं ये कर सकता था, मैं वो कर सकता था. So just tell me a little about that as well.
Yeah, one mistake was not referring the ICI models, to be honest, because in case of, I will again mention that audit and SM are like that subject, you have to just go through the module once because there are little key points that मतलब एक ऐसा कॉर्नर में कुछ बॉक्स रहेगा उसमें 3-4 पॉइंट रहेंगे वो भी आंसर बन के आ जाता है मतलब वो लाइक अनएक्सपेक्टेड रहता है मतलब इसीलिए ICI मॉड्यूल रेफर करना चाहिए थियरी सब्जेक्ट के लिए तो करना चाहिए एंड
Theory subjects की.
हाँ एंड सेकंड वन वाज थोड़ा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस रहता था कभी कभी आ जाता था
हाँ नहीं वो आ जाता है because you know you have it in you right and I think it is not bad. But ठीक है वो sometimes when you reach that level when you know that you have already 3 revisions 4 revisions and you're already far ahead from your friend तो हो ही जाएगा हाँ but I think the fact is that कि आपको ये दोनों चीज़ें पता है is very important because आप सुधार तभी सकते हो जब आपको पता है you have a room for improvisation when you know when you accept and you want to work towards it so maybe final में confident रहना over confidence मत रहना and we'll help you through whatever you want for your final of course for that so quickly Omkar anything else which you want to share with us your any inspirational story which you have which you think the message should get out to all the students कि ऐसा क्या होना मतलब क्या है आपकी लाइफ में because Omkar you're a very quiet person amongst all I've spoken with right of course we are talking here and I am loving having this candid conversation with you but आप सबसे ज़्यादा शांत हो मतलब this is what I have figured out बाकी लोग are like हाँ talkative so I just wanted to understand ये शांति के पीछे क्या है You are an introvert. I know. I could figure that out. That's why I'm telling कि कुछ something which you want to share with us, anything extra which you felt you should be sharing on this platform. The story should go out to the people.
Yeah.
Something.
Like thanking my friends and professors at Red Novate. Like I had made really very good friends at Red Novate. Means they always supported me. Like I used to learn from them also. Like Tanish was there, Pranav was there. They always used to like support me and many were like यार तेरे को रैंक आएगा ही तो वो वैसा मतलब मोटिवेशन वो अनएक्सपेक्टेड आता ही था फ्रेंड्स से एंड प्रोफेसर्स का तो मतलब सपोर्ट रहता ही था राइट कुछ भी हुआ प्रोफेसर वो रियली मींस दे वर इन टच लाइक ऑलवेज
Right. So I think
I was really grateful towards them, my friends
Right.
and family, professors, all.
Absolutely, and I think a person is known by the company which he she has, because at the end of the day, these are the people who will support you. These are the people who will be your cheerleaders. These will be the people who will motivate you, pull you out if you are literally down, right? तो वो लोग बहुत important role play करते हैं हम सबके life में. And I'm glad because I will tell you a little story. I'm not sure how many people know why Ednovate got conceived. So it conceived because we cleared it in 2007 and nothing changed until 2021. Same चीजें सब कुछ same हो रहा है. Nobody cares about the student. And of course थोड़े बहुत glitches सब जगह होते हैं. But the idea is and दूसरा important क्या होता है ना pain point सबसे बड़ा क्या होता है mentorship नहीं होती mental health का ख्याल नहीं होता है टीचर से आप अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते हो डाउट सॉल्विंग पे इशू रहते हैं 1-to-1 कॉन्वर्सेशंस नहीं होते हैं बिकॉज यू एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग यू नीड दिस स्कूल में किसी टीचर बात करता है यू वांट टू शो ऑफ राइट दिस इज माय फेवरेट टीचर आई विल गेट बेस्ट मार्क्स इन कॉस्टिंग और टैक्स बिकॉज यू डू इट फॉर देम यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट फॉर योरसेल्फ तो वो स्कूल तक ये माहौल रहता है क्विकली विथ यू ओमकार लेट्स play this game of rapid fire not very difficult quickly you have to answer it mummy or papa all boys are mama's boy. First person whom you shared your rank with.
ARP ceremonials.
One person who has motivated you to pursue CA as a career.
It was self-motivated, right? Like.
I love that self-motivated. I'm very clear. मुझे करना था मैंने कर लिया.
Answer will be God.
God, okay. Certain things are destined by God for you, right? One person whom you admire the most in Ednovate.
ARP sir.
And what is the meaning of success for you?
Success means you have achieved something and you have no regrets. Like you could have done better. You have no regrets and you have achieved something. That would be success.
And one idol, someone not from here, but one idol across the industry, across whomsoever whom you felt that, oh, this is the person I would want to be, or this is the person I want to evaluate over a period of time.
No such person.
Thank you so much, Omkar, for being part of this podcast. I really loved having the conversation with you. And thank you. And once again, congratulations to you and to your parents for this accomplishment.